dodge and burn tool. It's very simple. It's lighten a part that you brush, or a darken. Lighten is dodge, darken is burn. It's very simple. It's automatically amount in 100%. It's full. And here you can choose the brush size, how soften that one, this hard or soft. It's better to be full soft. And here is strength. It's in a half. Lighten, it means, for example, you want to lightening this part of your image. Nice. You can brush it. Or vice versa, you want to darken it, this part of your image. Burn it. Nice. Or if you don't want them, you can erase them. Erase them all of burning and dodging of your system, of your photo. Simple. So you can lighten or darken some part of your image. You can change the size, how soft, as you can see. If you want to darken it, it's very soft. Or you want to hard doing like this. So this is a soften. Strength is, if it's decrease the number, it means you have to brush to make that effect, to reach that effect. But if the strength is in a full, with one click you approach your strength is full power of that tool. Darken, lighten, it's full power of that. So the strength is full 100, or at the half it's automatically doing. If you revert all of the settings, for double click, I don't know how it's working. I think close and revert it to the original. Double click at any slider that you can revert it to the default values. So that's the dodge and burn. It's very easy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.